Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer account got suspended issue. First, check your email carefully. If there is any notification asking you to submit documents, upload or any required ID, proof of address or business documents clearly. Then make sure all your personal details match your official documents. Do not create a new account because that can make the situation worse. If you do not see clear instructions, contact Payoneer support through the official website and submit a support request explaining your issue clearly and provide any documents they ask for. In most cases, once you complete verification in the account will be reviewed and restored. That's how you fix the Payoneer account suspended. Do not forget